Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen powerhouse that promises to simplify your cooking and elevate your meals. We're talking about the COMFEE 16-in-1 electric pressure cooker, specifically the 8-quart model. This isn't just another appliance, it's a multifunctional marvel designed to be the workhorse of your kitchen. Right out of the box, the sheer number of presets is impressive. With 16 distinct functions, this pressure cooker aims to be your go-to for everything from a hearty meat stew to a delicate batch of yogurt, or even just perfectly cooked rice. The idea is that with just a few button presses, you can access a world of culinary possibilities. We're talking about dedicated settings for things like beans, oatmeal, broth, and poultry, which means less guesswork and more consistent results. This versatility is a huge selling point for anyone looking to streamline their cooking process and experiment with new recipes without needing a dozen different appliances. One of the most critical aspects of any multi-cooker is its capacity, and the COMFEE 8-quart model certainly doesn't disappoint here. This generous size, capable of holding 20 cups of cooked rice, is ideal for larger families or for meal prepping. If you regularly entertain or find yourself cooking for a crowd of 6 to 8 people, this cooker should comfortably meet your needs. It means you can prepare substantial portions without having to cook in batches, saving you time and effort. Now, let's talk about safety, a paramount concern with any pressure cooking appliance. COMFEE has equipped this model with what they describe as 10 professional safety features. This includes important mechanisms like overheat protection, an auto pressure release system, and a lid safety lock system. These features are designed to give you peace of mind while you're cooking, ensuring that the appliance operates safely and reliably. Understanding these safety protocols is key to using any pressure cooker effectively and confidently. The convenience factor is further enhanced by the intelligent delay timer. With a 24-hour delay timer, you can actually set your meal to be ready precisely when you want it. Imagine waking up to a perfectly cooked breakfast or coming home after a long day to a delicious dinner that's already prepared. This feature is a game changer for busy individuals and families who struggle to find time for elaborate meal preparation during the week. It allows for true set-it-and-forget-it cooking. Beyond the core functions, COMFEE also includes a thoughtful array of accessories to get you started. You'll find a handy spoon and ladle for serving, a condensation cup to catch drips, a measuring cup for precise ingredient additions, and a steam rack for those steaming functions. The inclusion of a power cord, of course, completes the package. These extras demonstrate a commitment to user experience, ensuring you have most of what you need to start cooking immediately. Let's break down the pros and cons. The sheer versatility with 16 presets is a massive advantage, catering to a wide range of cooking styles and preferences. The large 8-quart capacity makes it excellent for families and meal preppers. The robust safety features provide essential reassurance. The 24-hour delay timer is an incredibly useful convenience for busy schedules. Finally, the included accessories are a nice bonus. On the flip side, for smaller households or individuals, an 8-quart cooker might be a bit too large. While the presets are numerous, the actual cooking performance and ease of use for each specific function will ultimately determine its true value. As with any multi-cooker, there can be a learning curve to master all the different settings. In conclusion, the COMFEE 16-in-1 electric pressure cooker is an ambitious appliance that packs a lot of functionality into a single unit. Its large capacity, extensive presets, and focus on safety make it a compelling option for those seeking to simplify their kitchen routine and expand their cooking repertoire. If you're looking for a versatile, family-sized multi-cooker, this COMFEE model is definitely worth a closer look. Link in the description.